Now we're in Kato Drys. It's a beautiful little village. The Drys is ancient Greek for oak tree. We're sitting in the coffee shop and we're talking about the roof tiles that have been found in this village. The elephant logo roof tiles found here are great. We've decided to make the elephants into beads and centerpieces for macrame and brand them Elephant. The roof tiles are off a roof in Kato Drys, 100 metres from the Ethnographic Museum. Bizarrely, they came from Chios, Eliphas pottery. The factory was built between 1922 and 1925 by German engineers for the Mykolos family. At the height of production, they made 100,000 tiles every day. We find also here in Kato Drys the fallow deer roof tile logo. It's standing on a plinth on top of a pillar. Where is it from? Rhodes, of course, the symbol of the island. Why are tiles from far-flung islands here at a mountain village in Cyprus? The story involves the ethnic cleansing on a grand scale and a refugee crisis from more than 100 years ago. The 1923 population exchange between Greece and Turkey followed the convention concerning the exchange of Greek and Turkish populations, signed at Lucerne in Switzerland on the 30th of January 1923 by the governments of Greece and Turkey. It involved at least 1.6 million people. 1,221,000 Greek Orthodox people from Asia Minor, Eastern Thrace, the Pontic Alps and the Caucasus, and 355 to 400,000 Muslims from Greece, most of whom were forcibly made refugees and denationalised from their own homelands. It was a human tragedy, and Kato Drys received its share of displaced Greeks. The last one, who arrived as an infant, died in the last few years. Each of the islands received Greeks, and the Muslims mainly occupied former Greek villages on Turkey's Aegean coast and the city of Izmir, Smyrna to the Greeks. The tile factories on Chios and Rhodes date from this tragic and chaotic time, and displaced Greeks were involved in the establishment of the firms. Oddly, with some Turkish investment also. Although they were dispersed many hundreds of kilometres apart, the refugee displaced person status was a common bond. When those displaced Greeks found their feet and built houses and needed roof tiles, they preferred to trade with the new tile companies established by their refugee peers, even though they were very far away. Kato Drys village is the fourth stop on the Roof Tiles Heritage Trail. Your next stop is Pano Lefkara village, where you'll hear another story about roof tiles. Find the link to the map of the trail in the description to this video below, or contact the Mola Culture Factory for more details.